Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to disable all sound effects in the Discord app on PC, especially after the new update. Discord is a fantastic platform for chatting, gaming, and building communities, but sometimes those notification sounds or random effects can get distracting. The good news is that you can turn them off completely with just a few steps, and I'll walk you through it right now. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and sitting on the main screen where you can see your servers, friends list, and chats. Once you're here, look to the very bottom left corner. You'll see your profile picture and your username. Right next to that is the little gear icon, also known as User Settings. Go ahead and click on it. When the Settings menu opens, you'll see a list of sections on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to open the Streamer Mode settings page. Inside Streamer Mode, you'll notice a few different options that control how Discord behaves while streaming. The one we want to focus on is Disable Sounds. This setting is designed to turn off those audio cues and sound effects that can interrupt you while using Discord. To disable all sounds, simply make sure that Disable Sounds is toggled on. Once you do that, Discord will no longer play notification effects or other sound alerts. That's it. Super quick, super easy. From this point on, you won't have to worry about pop-up noises distracting you during games, streams, or chats. And if you ever want to bring sounds back, just head back to the same streamer mode settings and toggle the option off again. Using streamer mode for this purpose is a clean way to keep your experience distraction-free while staying focused on what really matters, whether that's gaming, chatting with friends, or working with your team. Now you know exactly how to disable all sound effects in Discord on PC with the latest update, and it only takes a few clicks.